This bird got caught in the window somehow between the screen and the door. Don't understand it. Can you figure out how it got caught? It flew into the screen, it looks like. Where it broke the screen right there.
Yeah, maybe. It got stuck in the window. Get it?
Alright, keep filming. I'll be right back.
It's weird. I don't know how this bird got caught in here, but I am right by it. This bird is gonna hurt itself. It's cool though. I've never seen a bird up this close. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's freaking out. He's freaking out. I don't think he likes it in here, but he's freaking out. Here, she. It's gonna hurt itself. We're gonna let it out, I think. Maybe. Yep, there we go. Fly away home.